To inspect or replace the drive belt on your 650 Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Do not attempt this process after operating in reverse. The snowmobile must be stopped after forward motion to prevent damage to components during belt removal. Park the snowmobile on a flat and level surface. Then, stop the engine after operating in forward motion and turn the ignition key off and wait for the engine to come to a complete stop. Next, remove the left side panel. After this, lock the temporary brake lock. Next, remove the L-wrench tool from the panel trim and then spread the panel trim apart as needed to access the driven clutch. Then, turn the latch on the belt holder to release the spare belt holder and remove. Now, flex the console outward and remove the fender push pin. Then, gently flex the fender outward. Insert the L-wrench tool into the threaded hole on the driven clutch and turn clockwise until the sheaves open far enough to remove the belt. Tip: take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Then firmly grasp the belt midway between and beneath the clutches and pull outward and rearward to remove it from the driven clutch and then from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Before continuing, clean the area around the clutches thoroughly to prevent damage to the vehicle components. With the L-wrench inserted and the sheaves in the open position, reinstall the belt over the drive clutch and then continue walking it over the driven clutch sheave. Tip: install the belt so that the numbers can be read correctly on the left side of the vehicle, or in the direction the belt was originally installed. Next, wiggle the belt to remove slack while removing the L-wrench. Then, reinsert the spare belt holder into the retention point and turn the latch to secure the holder. Continue by connecting the side panel trim with the push pin and reinstalling the L-wrench tool. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, reinstall the side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Reference your owner's manual for proper belt break-in procedure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.